Alrighty, so I've taken out the bad boards, and the subfloor has got some issues with it, but my oak has stability to it. So I am going to very heavily with 2 tubes of PL 400 glue this down and laminate all of this and lock it in. And I'm going to nail into the stud, which is right there, and everything will be rock solid when it dries. It'll be like, anyways, it'll rejuvenate all of this rotted plywood by laminating it again. And color's a little bit lighter. I'm going to need to coat this with something a little bit darker brown as a top coat, but that's an easy touch-up. It's always easier to go. You got to start lighter. If you go darker, that's no good. You can't. You could always go darker. You can't go lighter. You have to sand from the beginning again. All right, I'll show a picture when it's done. Okay, so the patch is in. The color's a little bit lighter. I'm going to come back with some darker brown, but we are perfectly flush, smooth, no tripping hazards, and it's definitely tight. There's 2 tubes of liquid nails under there. When that dries, it's going to be like iron.